que é Home Office 5521, retired and retired. We will have a conversation, quite simple, quite clear. Looks like that you're having that summit at OPEC, I mean OPEC about the oil. But the issue is the Chinese chief, Mr. Xi Jinping, enfim. É, it's simple to understand things. You should consider, take a look at a cartoon Japanese named Akira. It's a, really, really great story about China. Because you have a kid at that cartoon named Tetsu. He kind of put it away in many moments, but he would like to be great and he would like to be the greatest. And in the end, he kind of raised others, Akira, as intention or something like this. And he got so big that he became a bubble that burst. And the cartoon end. In the same way, the China. You have on present time this new speech about the communism vision of the future or whatever. But it's convicted to fail. And you have the vulnerability to set a basic need huge and the unique source to be divided as a common thing with something terrible. Especially when you do this at the bank. For instance, you have miserable areas with a common bank, like crowdfunding or something like this, a simulation and laboratory to work. It doesn't work, and we are having this. But to take advantage when you have this procedure, and for sure, to anyone become a vulnerable, this person had vulnerabilities under exploitation after the creation of those vulnerabilities. Can be a disease, can be the need as investment, whatever. In the same way, you can be great, you know, without education. I mean, before you got rich, you must have higher levels of education and basic values. It's like this. And we will have in mind that we are kind of made by the same thing, flesh and blood, for instance. I have a regular life. I pee myself, because I'm tired and it's cold and I pee myself. And life is all about these simple things like, breathe, eat, shit, regular. Simple. And I think that this moment at China, if I have to do your judgment, I would say, not consider a machine, but having to reason things and present you a decision about you. All of you doing the same thing, similar behavior, equal, perception as identical. And I'm limited as a human. I pee myself, and when I will probably get old, if I get there, I will shit myself. And then you will have that your intention should be equity, should forgive. You can forgive your intention. If you commit a bad thing, we must have the punishment against your doing. It means that you can have any kind of intention, and I really believe that you have great intention, especially considering the China, the country that you love, and you are maybe looks like a good man, I'd say. But the intention is something that belongs to your intimacy and moral conviction, and then you turn this into a doing. This doing can be like the Tetsu at that movie, Japanese. can be something that will exceed the limits of your jurisdiction, of your economy, and you will be kind of a little invasive, I would say. And you can do this maybe against other jurisdiction or have the intention presented as a doing real thing to set a common field of misery or a common field of needs or even a common field as unique jurisdiction. It doesn't work like this, like that. No, the Tetsu that became a big bubble and burst. It's simple to understand, isn't it? So, in general, your intention and the intention as anyone, you can act it. But the doing is a big problem. In general, the doing, when you have the overdoing, the wrongdoing, or something like this, you always have consequence. This is my perception, limited as a simple single man, Western male. We have a music, I think that's Pink Floyd. Let's say that, and after all, we are only ordinary men. It's like this. And life is all about this. You can bet on it. Simple things, kind of hap- regular, simple living elements as breathe, eat, shit, pee. And in the end, you check that this is so relevant when you got maybe on the unit chest treatment or something like this, that you must have a lot of pipes to breathe, or some needs or things to make you pee, and it's horrible. And it's like this, in my opinion. I think that the intention in general, as something that belongs to your intimacy, you can forgive, but the doing, have consequence. And to have a next step, we should consider that this is about win or lose, but a process as learning and development, you know. And I think that the review about your doing, the best person to do this is you. The best pathway to do this is your own judgment about your doing, considering that maybe the elements inside your self perception about the intention, you will understand areas that you kind of committed the mistake, you know, and it's something by equity applied to all of you. Simple, isn't it? Have a nice weekend.